In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make money with Kit. The goal of this walkthrough is to show you how to set up a product and then share a secure checkout link so customers can purchase from anywhere. As you follow along, keep an eye on the buttons and panels in your Kit dashboard because the labels may guide you exactly where you need to go. To begin, open your Kit dashboard and go to the Earn tab. This is the area where Kit focuses on monetization tools, so it is the right starting point for anything related to selling. When you click the Earn tab, you should see options related to creating and managing products. Take a moment to confirm that you are in the Earn section before moving forward, because the next steps depend on being in the correct part of the dashboard. Next, click Products. This takes you into the place where you can upload what you want to sell and set up how people will purchase it. Once you are on the Products page, look for an option that indicates you can set up a new product or start the setup process. Since the instructions mention a setup wizard, you should expect a guided flow that walks you through the required fields. This wizard makes it easier to avoid missing anything important, like the file upload and the price. Now follow the setup wizard to upload your file and set a price. When the wizard prompts you to upload, select the file you want to sell. Make sure you choose the correct file, because this is the product that customers will receive after purchase. If you have multiple versions, double-check that you are uploading the one you want customers to get. After the upload step, the wizard will ask you to set a price. Choose a price that matches the value of what you are offering. Setting the price correctly matters because it determines what customers will pay at checkout, and it is often the key factor in how well your product converts. As you move through the wizard, continue clicking the prompts in order until the setup is complete. Pay attention to any confirmation screens or success messages. If the interface allows you to review your product details, take a brief moment to scan them for accuracy. This is a simple quality check that helps you feel confident that everything is set the way you intended. After you are satisfied, finish the wizard so your product is ready to be sold. Once your product setup is complete, Kit provides a secure checkout link that you can share. This is an important part of the process because it lets you receive payments without you needing to manage complicated checkout systems yourself. The checkout link is designed to be safe and reliable, and it is the link you will use when you want someone to purchase your product. Now share the checkout link. You can share it in your emails or on your landing page, depending on how you are marketing your product. If you are sending it by email, paste the secure checkout link into your message where it makes sense for your audience to click. If you are using a landing page, place the link in a clear spot such as a call to action area so visitors know where to go next. The goal is to make it easy for people to reach checkout from wherever you are promoting the product. After you share the link, you are essentially ready to start receiving purchases as customers click through and complete checkout. It is always a good idea to test the experience from your side at least once, just to make sure the link routes correctly and that the product you uploaded is the one being sold. That way you can confirm everything is functioning smoothly before relying on it. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.